Ajde. To.
I was super annoyed because I fell on a very last move.
No. O, kak glupo, no. Zakaj sem zdaj klev su? Zakaj nisem šel na unga, tam?
I actually felt his heartbreak. I felt like last move. That really hurts.
Dober je, no saj zdaj vse veš. Zdaj boš sam leto čez, ko točno vse veš, kako moraš iti.
I knew that he had it in his hands for more tries, but he could be too furious. It would go the wrong way, so, but yeah.
Yeah, that's why I was also so angry about myself. But luckily I really calmed myself down and I said like there's still a lot of daylight. I mean, I felt tired, but at the same time I felt like now I really know what to do, and I knew that I can really fly through the lower moves.
Ok, Jančo, si?
Ja, jaz sem.
Si?
Ja. Aj stisneš to. Ajde. 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 Aj stisneš to. Ajde. Drži. Ajde. Drži. Ajde. To.
Yes.
Nice. To.
Kako fajn je pa to zdaj.
Nice.
Daj, čuvala.
It was good that he realized quite fast on the top that it wasn't the question of his physical preparation. It was all in his head and a little bit technique, a little bit tactic.
I went up, I already knew a really good sequence and I could really fly through those scrims, and I really did it perfectly. But I had to do it perfectly.
Jaz sem čisto srečen, da sem čez tole prišel. Tole pa... Ni lahko. Zakon.
Zdaj bomo mi da sklenala en deal, Domč. Jaz grem zdaj modro prvo. V redu. Ano? Bomo tik zebe.
Pa je se pričal.
Ja.